Well, I'm using my original Taz 3, and I was chugging along here making this motor mount for this car lift. Looks like it's maintaining temperature, sort of. The nozzle's dropping in temperature. Oh, that's not good. Although, yeah, it looks like this power source is losing its... It doesn't look good, folks. I don't know what the hell went wrong, but this power source has had it. Just too hot in here. So it doesn't... it's set up to 220 volts. This thing's just puking. I'm not happy. Come on. I don't know. Yeah, capacitor, something that's leaking all over my hand. So, looks like we're losing temperature here on the screen. And I'm going to have to just stop this print, unfortunately. So, what a waste of resources. Really irritating. It's done. Not going to make it. I will probably just pause the print. It's had it. Nope, no damn good. So, that is fucking that. We blew out a capacitor. That's what happened. Man, I better wash my hands off here. Yeah, it's not putting heat to the nozzle anymore, so I have to power down. Complete waste. That pisses me off. I was hoping to get this lift built this weekend and solved. Get the motor mount in. So this just isn't reliable. And that was not blocked. It should have had plenty of breathing room. It was just sitting right in here like so. You know, it's possible that maybe it didn't have enough air underneath it. Oh, just great. I don't know why they put this thing on such little feet. I should have had it up here more elevated. Just go figure. Alright, well, that's it. That is that for that part. Doesn't look like that'll be a recoverable power source. Have to open it up and replace some capacitors on it and set it in a better cooled area. Give it some water cooling. Alright, we'll just make it better. That's it for now.